everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do. Got a box in the mail, some items that were sent for me to check out. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, got this box in the mail. It was sent for me to check out. I was told that it didn't matter how long it took. You know, they just want an honest opinion of these items. It is from Super Clean Brands. It is not this is not a paid promotion video or anything. They just sent me an email. I was very clear that I did not want to do any videos where I had to pay or they had to pay me or anything like that. These items were sent to me for free. They just want an honest opinion on them. I've used products like this before. So let's get it open. Got a move this over. So we got a hat. It's a Real Tree Camo hat. It says Super Clean on it. American flag on the side, which is pretty nice. Got a t-shirt. Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner and Degreaser. We have this. Looks like the bottle that I have. I have one of these bottles. Spray nozzle. There's some cleaner on the outside. It's probably for this guy right here, wheel cleaner. This one is dissolves grease super easy, super fast, tough task cleaner and degreaser. This one's all wheel cleaner. This one is foaming. This is lid popped off. Easy Spray aerosol can. It says biodegradable detergents on it. And then this. Not sure, this might be a sticker. It might be a sticker, not sure. And we have this floor absorbent powder as well. So these are items that were sent. So I'm going to, this is just going to be the introduction of them. This right here. So this is just information from Super Clean about the products, and if I have any questions to let them know. The alkaline level is 13 on Super Clean, so it's pretty neutral. Some information information about the absorbent powder that's available at AutoZone. Who I can contact at Super Clean. I'm assuming this is probably a sticker. Oh yeah, it's got a crease line right here. So this is a Super Clean sticker. So these are the items that were sent to me to check out. So I'm going to be using this quite a bit. I have this little Briggs and Stratton 6.5 horsepower right here that I'm probably going to use some of this on, see if I can get it a lot cleaner than it is. Might have spilled in the box, not sure. You can see that it leaked out right here. So this one's probably not as full as it was. But, and if for whatever reason the camera picks this up as blue, it's not, it's actually purple. Let me see if I can change. There you go. I did change the light to more yellow. It's at 3200 Kelvin. There you go. It actually looks more purple, more true to what it actually looks like. If I change the light, because I usually leave the light at 3200 or 6500, it makes it look blue. But they are purple. And then it's over here. Let me go grab the one that I have. So this is the one that I have. I've had for a little while. It's the same as this one that's got the leakiness all over the outside. Same one. Same 32 ounce bottle. Nothing different. I don't have a lot removed from this bottle. I've used it maybe 1 or 2 times. Not a lot. Just cleaning surface on the frame where engine oil got sprayed. But I have used the Super Clean products before. I also use Purple Power, but I never compared them. I just grab one, use it, grab the other, or use it. Not really a stickler when it comes to cleaners. I just grab whatever works. But we'll give this more of a shot. I'll use it more often. Give you guys my opinion on a future video. This is just going to be a, you know, just a quick look video of what I got in the mail. Want to give you guys an honest review of what I think of these products. I've never seen the wheel cleaner, so we'll give that a try. I do have a set of wheels that are quite dirty from brake dust, so we'll give that a try, see how it works. Coat wheel surface with Super Clean all wheel cleaner for 6 inches away. Allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. For extremely dirty wheels, agitate with soft brush or sponge. Rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water. You know, pretty simple instructions. Sure, this goes to this guy right here. But all in all, nice set of products. I don't have much carpet left in the house, but what carpet I do have, I'll give this a try on. See how well that works. And we'll also check the aerosol can out. I do like aerosol cans for certain things. So we can also test this on the barbecue, engines, brakes. So we'll see how well these products do when I do another brake job or I'm working on an engine. You know, who knows, it might surprise me. I do appreciate you guys watching, checking out the video. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, I also have a link for Ulsa Tools. If you guys go check them out, you get 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Do appreciate you guys' time, and this is also a prime example of adjusting this light on warmer and colder temperatures. If you this aperture light, if you have it on a cold temperature, which would be more of a blue light, 6500 Kelvin, it's going to make these purple bottles look blue. If you put it on a 3200 Kelvin, which is a warm yellow light, it's going to make the bottles look purple. But appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!